everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1971 Chevrolet C10. Gorgeous truck, guys. Originally bought this car... bought this truck, I don't remember how many years ago. Bought it at a big show down in Tennessee. The truck was originally out of Tennessee. Again, it is a complete frame-off, nut and bolt restoration. We have all the books, the documentation on the build. Gentleman actually built it to take it on the power tour. It's got 6,300 miles on it, and it is brand stinking new. Love the color combination. It's two-tone, Hugger orange and Adobe beige. I love the Hounds Tooth interior in it. Just as nice on the bottom as it is on top. It's got an LS3. It's got GM Performance Powertrain in it. LS3 EFI engine, 4L60 automatic overdrive trans. It's all CPP tubular suspension. I mean, it is just a beautiful build, guys. There's not a whole lot you can really nitpick on it. I saw a couple of stone pecks. When I originally bought this thing, we drove it down at the show for the entire weekend, and it did awesome. In the heat, truck just drove great. All new glass. You can see it's got a billet grill. They've updated the headlights. It has an inside hood release. That's just a hand mark, guys, from seeing that. Gorgeous paint on the truck. Just beautiful paint. All new glass. Dual chrome mirrors. It's got power windows. Killer truck. This is pretty neat. This is actually vinyl plank, so you're never going to have to change it. Just a stunning truck. Those are 20 and 22-inch Billet Specialty wheels. Then this is the third time I've owned it. Sold to two really good customers, and it's just a great truck. Man, it's a nice truck. It's just dust if you're seeing something, guys. You can see it's kind of, our weather has really changed. It's snowing out here. The wind's blowing like crazy. Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes with the slotted and drilled rotors. It's got the bigger front rotors on it with the 4-piston calipers on the front. Billet hood hinges. It's got a real nice set of Hedman Hustler headers on it, ceramic coated headers. Again, this is all GM Performance LS3 EFI engine, Be Cool aluminum radiator. This is a GM Performance cold air intake, Wilwood power 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It has tubular CPP front and rear suspension, so the thing drives amazing. 4L60 automatic overdrive transmission. See, I don't know if you can see it down there. It's got the CPP steering box on it. Beautiful truck. I saw, yeah, there's one little touch-up mark there. Saw one there, and I think there's one right on the door. Other than that, there's not really anything you can really pick on the truck. Truck's just killer. Door seams are nice and clean. Love the Hounds Tooth. New carpet, new sill plates. Ididit chrome tilt column. It's got the Billet Specialties steering wheel. It's got Dakota gauge cluster in it, Kenwood sound system in it, padded dash. It's got the kick panels with the speakers in it. I can't remember what the exhaust is. Shoot, I can't remember what the rear axle is either. I'll try to make sure that gets in the ad, guys. Sorry, I'm rushing. We got a bunch of stuff we just got in, and a couple little marks here you can kind of nitpick. Gorgeous, gorgeous truck, man. Oh, it's got the custom fuel tank in it, and it fills over here on the side. It's got a stainless tank in it. Again, very nice underneath. It's got billet rear axle color cover and a trans cover. Billet covers on them both. Whew. Is wicked cold. It's got all Dynamat in it in the cab here. Again, this is all the stuff on the build of the truck. There's 2 folders full of stuff in there. Just a killer truck. Vintage air, I think I forgot to say that. Air blows ice cold. Maybe I should just kick it on. And this truck runs, guys, as you can imagine. It's got all the horsepower you can want. That is just a gorgeous truck. Yeah, 5822 on your odometer. Here's your inside hood release in here too. All the gauges are functional, holding good oil pressure. Everything opens and closes really nicely. Wind blowing. Truck's nice. No power?
No, it's just working.
Oh, there it goes. I can see it's doing something. There it goes. We're not radio guys, but we know it works. You probably just gotta hit that source button, see what it does. No, that's shutting it off. I don't know. We know it works. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. I forgot to show you this. What looks like the window cranks, you just lift them up and down. That's how the power windows operate in that thing. That is a stunning truck. Man, that's a nice truck. There he goes. Power. Forgot about those in there.